Hello and welcome. It's Gillykube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia on a beautiful sunny day. Sorry if you've got snow, ice and all the other harsh elements. Your summer is coming. Your summer is coming and our winter, well, our kind of autumny time is heading, but not that it's very cold here in Queensland. Today, okay, let's get on with this. Today I'm working with the Global Impasto paints and I'm using their pouring medium only. So I just add the pouring medium to my paint in the cup. I don't measure it and I only go by consistency for a particular pour. These ones are quite thin today. I just wanted to do another little test of doing quite thin paints and see the difference that they make. I am going to put in one of my swipe colours, the pure isopol alcohol. See if it makes any difference to what, say, silicone makes or floetrol. So we'll give this a go. Give it a go. So there you go. That's where I get all of my products from. It's Capriole Shabby Chic. You will get all the global products from Capriole. If you're in the US, UK or elsewhere, they are coming on Amazon. All these products will be coming on Amazon in your country. So I am going to do me squigglers and go back to my basics like used to do these a couple of years ago when I started. Sort of mostly swipes all the time, or dirty pours as they call it. So I'm going back to my squigglers. This is the Deep Sea and I absolutely loving this colour. It's a very green blue, a tealy blue. So it looks quite dark on camera, but it's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. For those that have been asking, thank you so much. My husband is doing really, really well. He's kind of back to normal, but he has got to go in and have exploratory, I suppose it is surgery, in about 5 weeks' time. So, all doing good. A little bit of a scare over and done with, thank goodness, but you know, I'm sure these things are sent to try us. So that is the fluoro blue. I'm going to add this fluoro orange, which I'm also loving because it absolutely dries unbelievably beautiful. Look how bright that is. That's definitely a bright one, isn't it? Yeah, some of the paints are thicker and some are thin because I've been using these paints for quite a few pieces of artwork this week. So kind of using them all up now. This is the metallic gold. So none of these have any silicone or any floetrol or anything but the global pouring medium. In them, and that's what I just wanted to see, if having alcohol in your swipe colour makes any difference. So we'll give it a test. Use all these paints up and then I can start a nice new colour scheme for next week. So I've got some of this fluoro pink, so might as well add it in, hey? This is really, 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 really going to be bright. These colours are anyway. I have my brother and his wife here at the moment. They've come up from Sydney because Queensland, where I live, actually opened the borders to Sydney. So first time I've seen my brother and his wife in 1 year, so long time, hey? Long time when it's family. Ugh, I have an itchy nose. Every time I get to this stage, I get an itchy nose. Now, I'm told a hitchy nose is a surprise. Other people say it's you're going to kiss a fool. Could be one of either, I suppose. So I'm just giving this a nice gentle tilt around the place to make sure my canvas is covered in these lovely bright colours. Go back up. Over there. So loving that deep sea. Well, actually I love all of these colours on here, but the orange too just really dries something special, really bright, and holds its colour really, really well. As do them all, but that obviously being the fluoro, it's obviously what attracts my eye. It stands out and I like it. Okie doke. Back. So there you go. That was the old sort of pour and swipe method I used to do, which I still love doing. But I've got some white paint made up in exactly the same way. I just like to make this nice big container up. So I'm going to pour, look, that's a little bit runny, might be too runny, into that cup. Let me give it a stir and see. It's a little bit runny, so I'm only going to use this as a swipe. So I'm going to test putting a few drops of the alcohol into it and see if this makes, because this has got nothing in it, and I just want to see if it, I'm going to just start the white off over this area. So it is a bit of an art lab day. As you know, I have those days, these days. And I'll get my swipey tool, if I can find it. I think I will just use a smaller piece of my soft plastic file divider. Lovely, that just fits nicely. So I will just use this. It's a soft plastic file divider, let it drop into the paint and see what it does. And it doesn't look as though it does absolutely anything with alcohol in it. Interesting. Let me give it a, something's coming up. I'll just put some, my heat wand on it. Okay, that didn't do anything much. I will add a little bit of floetrol in this metallic black it is that I have left over, so I might as well, I'm going to add some of my Australian floetrol and see if that makes any difference to the swipe. I've just squirted it in there, haven't got no measurements, so let's just see. I'm going to go back over that area again, and then I'll try it in a clear area. Let's just see if the floetrol does any different. Strange that. There's a few little like champagne bubbles, but nothing to write home about. Okie doke. To this white that has that bit of alcohol in, I am going to add a bit of my Elmer silicone. So let's see. Ooh, whoa, that got quite a few. It's not really reacting anyway, but lots of people love to do artwork without cells for sure. You can certainly create lots of interesting and beautiful art without cells. So it was just an art lab day. I love the experimental days. So that's with silicone in the paint. You can see already that the silicone is reacting and making it definitely a big difference with the silicone in. Okay, let's try that again. Oh, got a bit of blue in that. Where did I get that from? So that's the silicone. I wonder if I add, so I've added, this one's had a few drops of alcohol, a few drops of silicone, a little bit of floetrol. Let's see. That's kind of gone in big blobs here, but that would definitely, the silicone reacted in that way. So let's see what we can do with this here. I'll try and make something pretty out of this canvas, hopefully. Interesting. So the one with the alcohol, really nothing. No, just out of interest, I have the Boom Booster from the Boom Gel people, which is alcohol based. So I want to start off with just a separate little cup of, I'll try the, I might even go, this is a bit of the Cool Red. This has got nothing in it. I'll try the Cool Red with a little bit of the Boom Booster. I want to go back over that black area. Now this is supposed to be alcohol based, but obviously it's not just alcohol. So I'll put 3 drops in that, which I'll add a bit more paint because that's a lot for just, and I'm going to swipe with this and see what I get from this. So over that area that was just alcohol. So far so good, as they say. Let's see what I get with this. Oh, jeez Louise, oh my goodness, look at that. That has gone berserk. Okay, we'll do the whole lot with that one. That's just absolutely cell crazy. So there you go, that little Boom Booster. For people that are writing to me about cells, they want cells and they're not getting cells. That's another way of getting them, look, because that is absolutely over the top cell city. It's not even any effort to get those with that little guy. So you can get them also from Capriol. Not sure why my camera stopped again. This is my new iPad Air I'm trying to film from, and it stopped after 14 minutes. So I'll have to go back, recheck where I stopped, but this was the end result of my experiment today. So sorry about that, guys. I will get back to you. I'll write any additional information of anything that I used after the video stopped, but that was my art lab day, testing those products and with different cell activators. So until tomorrow, thank you for joining me so much, and I'll be back tomorrow. Take care. Bye. Bye for now.